Carrés Aux Noix. Nut squares. A dessert from Canada. Serves 4. You will need 19 ingredients. Step 1. Heat oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cream butter and sugar until well blended. Add egg and vanilla and beat well. Mix together flour, salt, and baking powder. Add the batter
2.
alternating with
To
milk.
prepare filling,
Beat
mix
until
brown
well
sugar
blended,
with flour.
not more. Cut in butter with 2 knives or a pastry blender. Add nuts. This can be done with food processor. Step 3. Butter an 8-inch square pan. Spread half of batter in pan, cover with filling. Cover filling with remaining batter by spreading it with back of a spoon. It is possible that the filling won't be completely covered by the batter. Bake on center racks of oven for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in batter comes out clean. Bring to room temperature and cover with icing. Step 5. To prepare icing, bring butter, brown sugar and milk to boil on low heat. Remove from heat and add icing sugar. Beat until smooth. Spread icing on baked squares immediately. Step 6. Cut in squares and keep in a sealed container. Note, these are a traditional Christmas recipe. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.